How to fix delayed notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Cellular as shown. Then, tap on Cellular Data Options at the top. Here, tap on Data Mode. Change the settings to Standard as shown. Now, go back to the Settings page and scroll down until you find and tap on Notifications. Scroll down and select the app you are facing issue with. Once you select the tap, turn on the time-sensitive notifications toggle switch. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Here, make sure that the Do Not Disturb focus mode is turned off. Following these steps, you can easily fix delayed notifications on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.